Hello kids, let's draw some 2D shapes. Let's start. Heart. We are drawing heart. What is this? This is heart. Arrow. We are drawing arrow. What is this? What is this? Arrow. What we draw? Arrow. Oval. We are drawing oval. Oval. Rhombus. We are drawing rhombus. What is this? Rhombus. Cross. We are drawing cross. Cross. Pie. We are drawing pie. What is this? Pie. Pie. Now learn some colors, kids. Look at this. It's a very cute and nice color. Forest green color, pink color, yellow color, orange color, sky blue color, gray color, purple color, green color. Look at this, kids. Potato brown color, potato brown color, pastel violet color, pastel violet color, green gray color, green gray color, natural oak color, natural oak color, kids, fresh green color, fresh green color, kids, olive green color, olive green color, kids. Let's learn 2D shapes. Heart, arrow, oval, rhombus, cross, pie. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next video. Bye bye.